Hey everybody, Don Dabney, Left Coast Classics. Thanks for checking out our cool Bel Air here. This is actually a really unique car. It has both the original black plates. It's a California car from brand new. Vintage plate frames. The original one from Daily is on the rear. This is just I don't know when that one made it on there. Anyway, it just comes from a collector friend of mine who just is really into collecting kind of 1 and 2 owner and some 3 owner cars. The criteria needs to be that they're super original and stock, and this car meets that criteria for sure. This is the original inline 6-cylinder Chevrolet engine with an automatic, and it's just kind of a cool salmon gray 2-tone car. It looks like it's had 1 repaint in its whole life, and it's just very original. The chrome's decent, got a little bit of pitting, a little bit of aging, a little bit of patina as you would expect, but it drives great. Whenever he gets one of these cars into his collection, he sends it over to his mechanic in Marin County, and they go through the car, they go through the brakes, they go through everything, and they make sure that he can just turn the key and drive the car. And that's this car. It starts right up, runs great, looks totally cool, and it's a 4-door, so it's great because you can put, you know, passengers in it, cruise around, and these are, you know, quite a bit less money than a 2-door. So if you're just looking for a cool vintage Chevy that's unmolested, has the original California black issued license plates, this Bel Air is a great candidate for that, and a lot of fun, and easy to work on, cheap to fix anything on it if something comes up. This car's really nice. It's very solid. It's got a couple of weak areas, and I'll show those to you in the photos, but it's insignificant on the bigger picture of it. It's more about that it's just so original and cool in that way. Let's take a cruise, and I'll show you the rest of the car. Another cool California car, really original, 1 respray. It looks like the interior is totally original. I'm thinking maybe the carpet's been done, but I'm not even sure about that. It's showing 78,000 miles on it. I mean, that could be the case. I'll find out more, and if I know more by the time I write the description, I'll add it, because I've got to talk to the guy I got the car from and get a little bit more info on it. It's not perfect. It's driver quality, but what's so cool is just so original. And it's been repainted once in its original salmon and gray, and the car just runs great. It purrs. Horn. The blinkers are working, though the auto cancel isn't working, typical. The wipers are turning on. There you go. The lights are working. We've tested all that. The heater's working. The radio I'm not hearing, so I'm not sure what's happening there. That's what you got. The clock's obviously probably not even. I'm just going to say it's not working. I haven't even checked. But I've been driving around. It's running cool. It shifts great. It drives nice. I have a buddy who's a collector, and he loves buying original, preferably California cars that are really unmolested. Loves sedans, and this car totally fits the bill. It's really great to drive. It's not very optioned. It doesn't have power steering, and but the steering's easy with the big old wheel, so that's not an issue. And it's just very good suspension, nice shifting, quiet. It's really pleasurable to drive. We're cruising along doing about 40. I'm gonna punch it. Just takes off like a. But it's relaxed. It drives straight. Suspension feels good. It's kind of like the perfect car to not restore. Anyway, if you want to see a lot more pictures, 200-300 photos of this really bitchin' 55 Bel Air on my website, it's leftcoastclassics.com. And I'm Don Dabney, I'm the owner, and make sure you watch the rest of this video. There's going to be a lot of info there. Check the undercarriage too, really solid and good. Take care.